we are going to show you how to use your baubles. So this is not a bauble from our shop. It's actually from somewhere else, but it'll work. So we're going to pull up all her hair. I'm trying to be fast because she's holding the phone up in the air because we're sitting on my bed and putting her hair out. I need to show everybody my bed. Okay. So I don't know
trying to put on my
you
bed?
were like me and you never knew how to use a bauble. Before, I was an adult before I knew how to use it the right way. Put it back up. Alright, so you take one bead and you hold it in your hand. Like so. Are you done? Can you hold it still? Okay.
No.
And then you're going to take the other bead and wrap it around your ponytail. Like that. So that both beads are like this. And the ponytail is kind of in the middle. And then you're going to slide the loop of one. You're going to slide the other bead in through that loop. And then it's just going to hold on. I mean, you wrap it more than once for however tight you need it, but it's easier to show you how to use it only wrapping it around once. But that's how you use the bauble. And then to take it out, hold it back up. To pull it back out, all you have to do is grab your bead, slip it back out, and that's it. So that's how you use the baubles. Thanks for watching.
Bye-bye.
Bye.